Okay, we have a 2021 Ram 2500 gas truck. We're going to take apart the grill today. We have the first part is the lower unibrow. Unclip this cover. You definitely want to use a removal tool for clips. They come straight out towards the front, pulling straight towards the front of the vehicle. Right here you have a 10mm, one on each side for the bottom unibrow. Take those out. Underneath, climb underneath there, you will see these little tiny pluses up in the roof of the grill cover. There's 7 of those. You do not have to take them nuts out, but you have to loosen them. Then this grill piece comes right off. You better look at what you got. So you got them right here, and then that one's up here. They actually have 2 different heights for some reason to clip it all in. There's 7 of them across the bottom. Go to the top. You got your standard cover. Plastic clips all the way around, 12 in the front, 1, 2 in the back side. That cover gets out of your way. Your top unibrow, right here, you have 10 bolt holes, 10 bolts. Across the top, 10mm, take them out. Make sure you're putting these bolts in piles because there are different sizes. That simply slides out towards you, comes right off. Next, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts across the top edge to take the grill loose. On the sides, you have 1, 2, 3 bolts to take loose. These 3 bottom ones, every single one of them is a different size, so pay attention to what holes you're taking them out of when you take them apart. Then you can just peel the grill loose. Watch the headlight edge that unclips. That simply removes. There's a better view of them little pluses that are underneath there. On your headlights, you have 1 clip, 1 bolt left. You'd have to do it from the bottom, but you can get to the bolt and the clip from underneath the truck. And then your headlights will slide right out. There you go.